In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all history in your Google account. So this is going to delete all of your activities. It's going to clear your search and your YouTube and location history. Everything will be clean. So if this is what you're looking for, let me walk you through the simplest steps to do that. Once you're on Google, just simply click your profile on the upper right, and you want to click and manage your Google account. Now, from here on the left side, you want to look for where it says data and privacy, and you want to scroll down on this page and you will find my activity. You click on that. Now, from here, you will see that once you scroll down a bit, you will find filter by date and product, and you'll see the delete button right there. And you can also scroll down and you can see all different type of activities that is actually going on here, right? But you don't want to delete this one by one, right? And so you want to click the drop down right here, and so you will find the last hour, the last day, all time, or you can even set specific range on what you want. So let's say we want to delete it for all time. We just simply click this option here, all time. And so here you will find a list of everything that you can delete. And of course, if you don't want to delete something, you can just click the checkbox on each to basically, let's say, don't remove them. And so once you do that, you simply click on next, and here you will have, it shows that everything will be deleted, and you can click to preview more so you can see everything that is going to be deleted, and you just hit the delete button. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.